Welcome, today in front of me Honor 90, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first you should go to the app gallery, and here in the search pool enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we have to get this first application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while the application installing on your device. Now just tap here to installing and to open the app. Now just here click enable in settings, and near the green Apple keyboard tap once on the switcher, here tap OK, again OK. Now just go back and tap here to the switch input methods and switch your switch keyboard to the English United States keyboard, and as can you see that's finished. And now we'll go for example to the messages and we'll text something, and as can you see our keyboard is so close to the iPhone keyboard as all the emojis. So that's how it looks, and if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.